Hello, my name is Dadan Irsyada, co-captain of belajar.id and chair of the Bandung Regional Education Community, KPPD, BBGTK West Java Province, Indonesia. As a candidate for the GEG Bandung leadership, I am committed to building a strong and impactful community of educators. I will leverage my experience in managing the KPPD community under BBGTK West Java Province, where I have organized over 30 webinars for teachers across Indonesia in collaboration with the Bandung City Education Office and BBGTK West Java Province. I am also a certified trainer specializing in the use of Chromebooks, AI, and coding, working across various organizations in collaboration with BBGTK West Java Province, PGRI West Java Province, and the Ministry of Basic and Secondary Education Indonesia. Let us work together to create innovative learning experiences for a brighter future. Thank you. Sampurasun.